What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to show you the iridescent to create the holographic effect. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to create this holographic effect or do the iridescent to create that effect, however, if you have not installed the Adobe Photoshop yet, don't worry, because here we will show you the alternative. That is, we will use the Photopea to create the holographic effect. So you can simply visit this photopea.com, and this will be the home page of the Photopea. And don't worry, you don't need to do the login with your email, and you can just continue to click file over here to start off the project and click new. And after that, you can choose the project size or the blank page size. There are a lot of variation, for example, for the social media, for printing purposes, photo, screen, mobile, advertisement, and to end over here, which one do you prefer? And for example, I will choose this one that has been provided, and you can continue to click create. And after that, you can unlock this background by give it a double click. And after that, I will change this white blank page to become pink, because usually the holographic has the color of the blue and also the pink, or it means the sheer blue, and also it usually shiny. Or you can also add the color, let's say the goldenish, and maybe there's the purple hint. And for example, we can make it the simple version. You can click this color first, and you can choose this code, for example FB8FF0, and click OK. If the color is not changing or it's not changed yet, don't worry. You can start to give the combination by Windows and delete first. And after that, you can give the combination Control and backspace 1, 2, 3. There you go. This will be the color we will use, or the base color, and the next color will be the blue or sheer blue like this. And the code, you can use this 80DDFD and click OK. And the next step would be would be the gradient tool over here, and you can choose this gradient tool. How to choose or show the option like that, you can give it the right click, and there you go, you can choose this gradient tool or paint bucket tool, but today I will choose this one. And after that, you can drag or pull this line until this section, for example, and you will see the gradient. And there you go, this is the gradient. By pull it first and take off or let off your mouse, there you go, this is the gradient color that we want. And after that, you can start to add the layer first. You can click this section and click new and layer, and after that, the new layer will be added in this section. And the next step is you can start to search for the plastic effect, and here I will use the freepik.com to provide me the plastic effect. For example, this one or this one and this one, which one do you prefer? You can simply download it and open it. And for example, I will choose this one, and you can simply copy it, and I will go back to the Photopea and keep this layer or the new layer being selected, and I will direct my cursor into this section, and I will simply paste the plastic effect before. You can put it by click this edit and paste, or give it the combination of Control and V like this. And Again, keep this layer, plastic layer being selected, and I will adjust the opacity. You can see that the plastic effect is still on the layer. And for example, I will choose the layer to be 15 like this, and after that I will merge or make this layer to become one. The way is, you can give the control or press the control first, and after that I will click this one too, and after that you can give the combination of control and E, 1 2 3, and this layer has been merged to become one. And after that I will go to this filter and click the liquefy, and this is the fun play. So you can start to adjust the size, for example this one, and also you can adjust the density. For example, I will choose it 10, and I will put this circle into this picture, and you can pull it anyway. For example, you can create the circular, and beware to keep this circle or this cursor inside this blank page so that the picture will not taken in. Or you can also try this effect. Okay, it doesn't work, so I prefer to use this smudge. And for example, I will reduce the size of this. It's kind of the brush, maybe. Pull it slowly until the color is kind of a little bit mixed like this. Or you can also create it kind of the batik, maybe from this one to become this one, and you can also make it again from this section. Which one do you prefer? And you can also play with this rate. For example, and I will reduce the intensity. For example, okay, the color gonna be like this. This is the shiny plastic that adds the holographic effect. And for example, you can click OK, and you can also play again with this filter. And for example, you can choose the distort and choose the zigzag. For example, it's kind of create the wave, and you can adjust the amount and also the reach. For example, this one, which one do you prefer? And you can click OK. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, entertaining, and don't forget to try this Photopea to create your own favorite holographic effect. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.